Now, after we create the products, we want to sell them. So let's create a purchase product function in our contract. And here we will need some field that we previously doesn't have in our product. So this is our owner and it's the type of payable. So to add this, we need to add it to our structure, to our events, to our functions, and test if it's okay. So let's add in our event now. We need to add this in our create product functions when we create a product, and this need to be the type of payable, I guess, but let's see if it works. In our emit, and yes, I have this everywhere. So now let's just add this field to our tests. Okay, here we need to add our seller, okay, from seller, and we previously have this added. I want to check if it's alright. Our own is the type seller, okay, so if it's correct. And then in our tests, every time we call create product, we also need to add the owner. So let's check if it works. It doesn't. It's telling us like that address to address payable, so this need to be payable. Okay, and here also. Okay, so this maybe solve the problem. It does, nice. So now we are ready to start the purchase. In this, we will just create the product and start a owner, a payable. It requires an ID, it requires a value, it requires not, if not is correct, that it's not purchasable, so it's available, and here we will emit our product purchase, and this will be quite the same. Yeah, almost. Okay, this needs to be payable. Okay, and as I said, this will start an event, and this event is equal to the product created. Have the same variables, so there is nothing new here. I think I have everything to start the purchase, I guess. So let's test if we can buy a product with our contracts. Okay, so here it sells products. It's our test. Okay, the first thing we're going to see if the seller have funds. Okay, buyer balance. Then we will call our purchase function. It will try to buy our product. It will check our variables, our types. In this case, we want to make sure that purchase was true. Then we will see if the funds was received. Exactly. Then here we will try to buy a product that doesn't exist. Okay. Try to buy without enough ether. Deploy tries to buy the product, but product can't be purchased. And the last one here is the buyer tries to buy again but can't be the seller. So I think every test is covered. So let's try to run our tests. Okay, we have a problem in our contract here. It needs to be payable. Okay, and actually our address seller need to be payable as well. So I think this solves the problem. Let's run the tests again. And it does. We have purchase now. Everything is working. So is warning me that our constructed public, the we can make this abstract. This means we can just remove public from our constructors. So yeah, everything is working and fine. We now can create and sell products. So this is it.